Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, what's it? Happy Reggae Month, happy Black History Month. Island Mama is back. So yeah, it's been a hot minute, guys, but I am back now. Um, I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing that two posting per week, but I'm sure about the Sundays. So I'll be posting on Sundays. Hopefully I can post on both Sundays and Wednesdays going forward. But we'll see about that. Not making any promises. But yeah, I'm just doing this video before I start putting out my other content. Just let you guys know that I'm back, and I wanted to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting my channel still. My sister Casey, like, she watches my videos every single day consistently. Like, I can count on her to keep my watch time up, and I just wanted to say thank you. Chanel, girl, I am so grateful and so appreciative of you always checking in on me. Like, for a complete stranger, I really appreciate it, and thank you for encouraging me and to pushing me to, create content and to still push out my content regardless of what was happening. And I really, really appreciate that. So my other sisters, Kimoy and Trisha, thank you for always watching, always supporting. Everyone that has just checked up on me to ask if I'm not posting anything, thank you. Fast man, fast. But anyways, yeah, so I guess that's it. I'm back. I'm going to be posting again. I'm going to be still doing my truths about motherhood series. I'm going to be doing vlogs, and I'm going to be including like John and Amari a lot more because um I haven't really included them in much of my videos lately, and Jenny's personality is just blooming. And I really want you guys to see her and Amari and everything like that. So yeah. And I guess that's it for this little short video. Oh yeah, I cut my hair, guys. I cut it. It was just a very random decision, and I was just there and I'm just like, I just cut my hair, like just cut it all off. But yeah. Um I'm getting used to it. So that's another story. But anyways, that's it for today. Stay tuned and stay posted for my other content, and tell a friend to tell a friend, and bye kids.